I used to think Valentine's had to look a certain type of way. Flowers, romance, expectations. But being in my 30s, it feels different now. This year I didn't chase anything. I chose joy. My friends flew in. We got an Airbnb. We were outside. We laughed. We healed. We celebrated us. Soft life doesn't mean boring. It means intentional. And honestly, Valentine's in your 30s hits different. The older I get, the more I celebrate peace over pressure. I don't wait to be chosen. I choose myself.
Alright guys, so it is almost Valentine's Day, like almost a few hours to Valentine's Day, and already I got my first gift. I'm not gonna pretend I already know what it is, and this is something that I have wanted. If you know, you know. And this is a part of everything I've been doing, from setting up my at-home studio to my TikTok lives, everything, guys. We did need this, we did want it, and I got my first Valentine's gift. Big up to my gifter. Oh my god, I'm so thankful and appreciate it. I'm going to do the unboxing right here, right now. Ow. Ow. Guys, I'm not gonna take it out in a book, like I show you. Maybe when I set it up, I'll do it in a video. This is exactly the color that I wanted. If you know, you know. Come take a look. Guys, it is the color that I wanted. Listen, guys, it could have never been another color. It would have to be the color red, because if you know, you know, red aligns with my brand, Amor. So guys, family, I got my streamer chair, and I'm super duper excited. So I'm gonna show you guys me setting this chair up and putting it in the little space. Yes, just a few more items to go to complete my at-home studio, but so far we have another item to add. My Valentine's Day is going great so far, and I hope you guys have been having a great Valentine's Day as well. Bye.
Outside, like I'm me own the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to my beer, and we run the road every day. Car day, man a beg light, man a beg cloud. Everywhere me go, them have to talk about.
Yeah, girl, turn up on spear runner, girl. Nice girl outside. Guys, it is Valentine's Day.
Did you see where I got my shoes on?
Yeah, it's Valentine's Day, guys. We don't know the clutch already, and we are outside tonight. Yeah, this is your bad Dolly Amor. You don't know it go. It's red. Yeah, and cream. Stacey's my day tonight. Tonight is a girls' night. What?
Out.
Girls' night out. Yes, and we're gonna think tonight, guys. Oh, me never interested in stuff. Hey, Amor Nation, welcome back to another weekly vlog. You don't know your girl Alicia Amor, and today is another exciting vlog. A long time I'm not going to excitement now. My vlogs have been so sad lately, but tonight is not about sadness. Tonight is about gladness. When I don't know the thing come down, one Amor Panda up, one love. You don't know it already. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone that's watching me. Calm yourself now. Calm down. Right now you move to jump. Angry badness now? Guys, the camera now focus.
If you're an OG subscriber, then you know who Stacy is. Stacy has made several appearances on my app, okay? Say hi, Stacy.
Hi. Tonight's girls' night out.
Ooh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh,
360?
Oh, 360. Oh my God. Guys, look at that. Bad day. Yes, guys. I don't know. So the past few vlogs has been a little bit more of a reflection type of vlog. But tonight, the bad dollies are outside. Guys, and I can't see my dress. I'm still gonna proper fit check. But you know, it's only fitting for the doll to wear red because, you know, my name is Amor. Tonight is February Valentine's Day and I'm minor, so we have to represent. Alright, yeah, it looks like it's a panty though. Yeah, set up body yaddy yeah. Anyways, guys, we are definitely outside. I'm gonna check in with you very soon so I can see the fit. Oh my God, guys, I don't want to see my shoes. But so make Stacy hold the camera and go down fit check because we don't have to see the shoes. Yeah, fashion over for the plug. Yeah, bye.
Watch ya, what time of clothes and style?
Come on,
Take off them because you're not able to tell tonight.
I can't be your talk to. The boy can't control me after me no puppet. You want me up in a house like me a figurine. Every time I bed and know you talk for me. Me and the girls roll out, girls night out. Pocket full of money 18, so you know we think up. We know the pen pan boy, I can't style. Little broke chop and move up. Designer team when we roll out. Top girl we a need them a shout out. And we not new to the game, so we make it big dance for up. Yeah, me and the girls I go rough up the night. Try to impress now we in our vibe. I want the money so we do what we like. So no boy can't take me like no man can't power with me. There no girl with no dog get straight. Top shelf, me and my friend them best. Yeah, me and the girls roll out, girls night out.
We're gonna get food or what? Where? To them and there. Yeah, that's fine. How much for your bad dog? That's supposed to sleep. Guys, I'm tired, hungry, and Stacy can't walk. That's the vibe right now. And our ride is here. So it was kinda 6 out of 10. 6 So now I'm going to that side.
Guys, we're back inside and I know I never really got to show you guys us inside of the club, but you guys can definitely get a little snippet. I'll make a few clips so they can see it and see. I would advise you guys to go on Instagram and check out my photos for tonight because I'm not my camera right now. But before I forget, guys, even though right now I am a mess, let me tell you guys where my dress is from. It is from Fashion Over. Fashion Over. Fashion Over, okay? Let me show you the little back details. It has some little lace detailing in the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. And my bag, you guys probably saw this bag in a haul before. It's from Shein, yes. And my shoes is from Fashion Over as well. Let me take out the shoes on show. Come like this sitting and make me rock. Come like the wine and make me rock. What been a drunk, it just make me rock. So guys, these are the shoes. And honestly, I thought these shoes would have been uncomfortable because it have a whole heap of bandangles. And usually these shoes, the corner, the toe part, normally hurt your corner toe, but surprisingly Stacy cried and I didn't. The shoes hurt, man. Stacy shoes hurt.
Safety shoes hurt, mine didn't. So if you walk in heels long enough, you're going to feel some kind of discomfort in your instep. I'd more so use the word discomfort, not pain, because it wasn't painful. But yeah, that's my outfit. So I don't know if I can find the link. I'll leave it in the description, or if you guys want the link, just let me know. Yeah man, them bad, them go out with themselves. Them angle triangle dangle. And the dress, it don't come with a shorts underneath, so make sure so when you wear it, you put on good panty. But this is the vibe. And I'm gonna wear my dress again. I'm so sorry. I have to wear it one more time. I don't know where. Maybe in another country, but it will be worn again. Anyways, guys, this is the end of our Valentine's night. Tomorrow, I'll take you guys with us on to other adventures. All right, so I'm gonna say goodnight for now. Oh, my nails. I never show you guys my nails. These are what my nails look like. So, bye. Talk to you guys tomorrow. This? Yeah, no. Oh. Why this tastes like too much of a black coffee, man.
I feel like shopping how that tastes.
Forget the cold dairy nice. I don't know what it tastes for me, I'll find out now. I'll force me to do that. A breakfast moment. God know this way I work with. Stay to get some plantain or something. Fries and water me I work with. Coming out hungry belly like stay. Don't know the bags. What is?
Man, when I get down to the beach, huh?
The fries can I try. But I'm not custom because them now we deliver. Maybe we're too early for the order. Who does that?
That's what I like fine.
Guys, last night we got club preview. We must see the little clip them before now. Yeah, kind of get a 5 out of 10, but you know we make the best of the situation. Come on with that idiot. You don't have to hook about whatever. Why guys, when you have vlog, the people that can't think I'm weird, you? I talk to myself, but then I know I talk to them. I talk to my people there. So right after this, Right now, this is me carrying up on the pool. We are go upstairs, go take some picture and go and vibe a little bit. So we don't get to see that. Alright? Big up on yourself. It's the next day, by the way. It's actually Sunday evening. Now what time now? About 12 o'clock now, you know, guys. I'm not telling a lie. Yeah. So I'm still checking back with him, alright? Go and big up on yourself.
Good morning, guys. So you don't know, it is day 2 of our Valentine's Day weekend with me and Stacy. Stacy, say hi.
Hi.
Alright, guys, so you don't know the vibes. I'm telling you, so we did go down at the pool today. So that's exactly what we are doing. As you can see, we have our bikini already. Wow, this is giving light. Come Stacy. Guys, Stacy just wear this because she don't cover up, alright? So I'll get them all over chat no more. Anyway, yeah. Girl feels pretty and come true. Nice and beautiful and dainty. I don't know it come down already. So we are carrying on with we don't want to come. We are carrying on with me a little bit. After this, I think we're going to go to a restaurant to have something to eat. Yes, it's a vibes weekend and we are carrying along. So yeah, we don't have much for say. My nails are cute. And guess what, bitches? They're press-ons. Gotta use some press-ons sometimes, bitches. Anyways. Oh yeah, I'm too bright right now. Alright, so this is our bikini of the day. This is from, where did it go? I want to bring the others over in the New Look, yes, that's yeah, from New Look. And I don't know, right here by me. Yeah, you don't know, it's a Valentine's weekend. You know, it's a Valentine's weekend vibe, so we're doing red all weekend. You know, red and black is a vibe. I'm going to show you Stacy now, barefoot for the set is a joke. I'm going to put on my slippers. Yeah! Alright, well, I don't know what be a madness and badness. Yeah, Stacy come through in our Marc Jacobs shades. Get them the side view, bitch. Give it to them. Ooh, ass on deck. Ooh, that is it, guys. Alright, so let's just go and vibes with it. Alright, guys, I think should I wear the headband or should I take it off? Stacy, I'm going to stop calling it headband because really and truly it's not a headband. It's the thing for all of the lace. But I think it work. I'm gonna want to mess up my lace because we're going to go out in a few. And my bag. Grab the little bag and thing. We're just going to put our simple slippers because I'm not far away ago. We're just going to go upstairs. Grab the grab clip, Stacy, please.
Grab a what?
The grab clip. Taking my beach towel, baby. Oh, I'm a phone. I wonder if I should bring my phone.
When is the last name? Come over here and sing. Let's sing.
Alright, guys, so we're trying to find. Oh, so bright out. We're trying to find the pool now, guys. Alright, guys, the exposure gave me beer issues. So we're finally on the rooftop, and this is the pool. You see it? So I'm about to sit here and I guess so. So we are walking towards sitting here. Yeah. Pool here. It's giving infinity. It's giving infinity, and we're the only ones up here, which is super good. I'm gonna slow down right to some. That's the view, guys. It's overlooking Kingston. Hey guys. Overlooking Kingston. Stacy's up there. Yep. We're going to have a better view at the pool. Better view at the pool, guys. See there? Yeah. So that is it. So far, so good.
Alright guys, so we're coming back from the pool. As I can see, I'll step inside and then we're gonna get ready because we are going to, I think it's 100. My wig is sliding back. This wig has been bugging me out the whole time. The whole process from putting it on to no, it's a maintain, but right now it has slide back and it's kind of obvious. So I forgot to fight with it now, and the problem is I only brought one wig with me. Normally me that bring more than one, so if one give me a problem I flick it off and throw on one next one, but we're trying for maintain the red thing. So yeah, may I try for maintain the red for the whole weekend. I don't know if I can keep up with it based on how that we can deal with me, but we're gonna see what can go on. No, but if we just
Feel tired, you know?
yeah, me not feel it.
I'm never going to pool. Like, you go swim.
Guys, I'm gonna put my camera battery for charge because right now I'm using my phone. I was using my camera upstairs because we got some really good pictures. That's the reason why we go up at the pool, honestly. We never really go up there for no bagga long thing. But yeah, now I get myself together now because our next mission is to go to a lounge. Still Sunday. I'm gonna go up, I think 100, and we're gonna get some food, and from there we're going clubbing later, so I'm gonna stick around for the journey. All right, see you guys later. All right guys, so we're going for dinner now. Same Sunday evening settings. Just come from the pool. Yeah, Stacey out here and take some pictures. Stacey vibes, my vibes. Now I'm gonna see a little bit more. I'm taking pictures for Stacey. Hold on there guys. As me I say, this is our lunch moment. I have the picture them.
No, they were just a love garden.
You want it them then? You want, you say one, I'm gonna go give you more. You say she troubled? You say she troubled, guys? Anyways. Woo! More trouble never said like rain, leave it. When we come, we'll fix it. Watch out, drop it down, guys. We'll come and fix. Outfits of the moment. Yeah. Alright guys, so you don't know, we are outside. We're going to a lounge to have, call it brunch because about 3 o'clock now. Sister show I'm gonna have some food outside. So this is the fit. Once again guys, this fit is from Shein. You know Shein is for the girlies, but I don't really like pair top and bottom when we get them as a set, but yeah, it's a little emergency there. So and this way I work with. And you know right here because it's a Valentine's weekend, I'm gonna show them my friend fit right now, so I just hold on. Yeah, Stacey is giving, I don't know, the 90s hip hop days. Yeah, the jeans them we are wear bad. What are jeans that name Stacey tell people them? True Religion. Yeah, True Religion. Oh, it's a full True Religion set. So now get with it. Not none of my right stuff.
From Rockstar.
Oh my god. And then the True Religion top.
Yeah.
I know the family dangles them for add it up and bad it up. Yeah, so that is it guys. But now carrying with me now. You don't know me. Now I go carry the camera with me outside. It's too big and I can't bother with that. So when I go see up on my phone. Alright, sooner or later. Bye. Hey guys, so it is Sunday night and we are about to go clubbing. So just a reminder, this is our Valentine's weekend staycation. We're staycationing in Kingston. But yeah, so you guys would have seen us earlier eating at 100 and now we are getting ready to go to the club. We're gonna go to Big People Sunday at Ribby's. We may end up at Taboo and then afterwards we may end up at Dolly Sundays.
I'm not really sure, but right now we're heading out to Big People Sunday. Hopefully it's gonna be a vibe. Remember guys, I'm not carry the camera with me. That's giving too much. That I look like big stage production outside with this big camera in the club. That not gonna work. So I'm definitely going to have to give you guys clips with my phone for sure. But we out here. This is my fit. This fit is also from Fashion Nova, and I got these heels on. And the thing that I'm most sad about is I forgot to take my silver bag with me, and I don't know if I did try on the outfit from to them, would I recognize it, and then I would have gone back home to get the silver bag. But I can't bother with that right now. I just go the same way without the silver bag. I'm gonna take the bag that I took last night, even though that's not really something that I want to do, because a black bag and this light fit is definitely not what I had hoped for. But I'm gonna just carry it like a little clutch and make it work. Yeah, Stacy's actually getting ready. See if I can show them my fit like a bit more. Oh, I can give you guys a fit check in the mirror. Yeah, I can kind of give you guys a fit check in the mirror. Y'all see the vibe? Yep. Period. Yeah, guys, the Fashion Nova dress them are going with themselves. I'm not telling them, like, definitely came through with this one. And we are out. Let's see what Stacey's doing. Stacey's getting ready.
Hi guys.
Stacey look nice. Love the pants, guys. Where the pants come from, Stacey?
Okay, it's Rockstar original.
Rockstar. Look at the legs inside. Show them the inside.
Oh, because the pants pull down.
And guys, it actually have a hat, but because show them the hat. But because we're going to the club, she's not gonna take the hat. But this is a dope fit. Bombas. This fit, guys, is fitting. Cute with the hat, girl.
I told you that's
my
why
God.
like it.
So cute with the hat. Yeah, so that's Stacey's fit. She's not 100% ready, but we're just showing her because we probably go on a quick move. After this, we'll probably go on a real quick move. Yeah, Stacey, I move slow tonight, but I just let it go. So, yeah, I'm showing her what I'm going. So that, bam, 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 bam. Yeah. So anyways guys, we are going to say peace out for now, and I'm gonna see you guys in the club. We going up on a Sunday to the club, cause you know it's a party day. Bye. Guys, it is Monday and I know I have on the same makeup and the same dress. I'm not gonna pretend me I tell the truth. I come in gym class now like a bad. I feel like say Jamaica has a batch of bad liquor out there, because I drank some vodka last night and I usually can drink vodka. Yeah, keep on and say vodka. What the shit? What I call it? Uptown. I don't know. Comment in the comment section and let me know if anybody else has been having this experience with drinking liquor in Jamaica, because that liquor is something that I usually drink, and last night I had about 5 cup of them, something can't drunk me. And let me tell you, I was sick to the point where I even vomited in the gas station. TMI. But that's at that. But the year will survive when they're gonna drop down. And I didn't get to take great pictures last night, and I have to take my pictures for IG, especially my cute little baby blue dress. So me and Stacy are gonna go out. When I can look on us, Stacy should in a fair pajama, so that must make her know say something right with me. But we're gonna go outside and take these photos because I need to get my photos. I just need to get my photos. And I can see the makeup is still slaying after your girl had a rough night, vomiting and everything. Yes, so I'm gonna go take my photos, and then I'm gonna come back, get a shower, get this makeup off my face, get some good sleep, and then I think we are off to Hellshire today. I'm not sure, but I think that's the plan for today, Monday. Even though the weekend is over, we have like another night of festivities to go. So I'm gonna take my picture of them, come back, come wash up my makeup, eat something, get some sleep, and then prepare for later. Alright, so I'm gonna see you later. Bye baby. Woman, I'm gonna sleep. I go sleep. Stacey is so convinced that I don't sleep, but that's so it's so good, guys. Whenever you're just enjoying your life, you just go. No sleep for the wicked.
No,
For the weary. No sleep for the weary. I'ma sleep today. I don't care. I'ma get some sleep today, because guys, honestly, I haven't slept in a couple of days. I do truth. Rest my back, rest my eyes, but sleep, nope. I don't know, look at me and sleep a war. But yeah, we'll talk sooner or later. Alright, bye. Alright guys, so as I tell you now, we did I go angle the picture of them. Stacey take my picture for me. I will show them, I feel fresh. And we got KFC. It's a KFC moment. Yeah, big deal and thing. Stacey, where is a full our belly already? Stacey can't wait to know. No member, no friend of them love KFC, you know. See them there? See how watch her. That is it. Anyways, I'm not take long with you guys, because I'm going to throw down my KFC. I am hungry, and that's the last time I tell us I'm going to get some rest. It is now after 12. I just got to eat for the first time this morning, and I know I'm going to get my rest, but I could see the rest of the day come down. Alright guys, in my little loungewear shenanigan, and that's the vibes. Talk to you soon.
Outside bitch, they'll be mad when they get some outside.
Outside, like I'm in one the place. Y'all are free, but them can't touch base. From Kingston back to Mobile, and we run the road every day. Car day. Man a beg light, man a beg cloud, everyone gonna want to talk about. Top y'all, man a need shout out, clean every time, man a left note. Man a take check, man a take press, step in the room, vibes get loud. Them girls stop, them a run them out, y'all get them a press.
Guys, we're gonna have some mixture today. Guys, it is Tuesday, and I cannot tell when last I picked up the vlog. Oh my god, let me turn this down. I haven't picked up the vlog, guys. It's Tuesday. The time is now probably after 1 or so. We went to Uptown Mondays last night. I'll insert some clip, and normally I did my get ready with me when me I go out, since we've been doing this Valentine's weekend vlog. However, I did not do it because I was tired. Yes, and I see my friends coming in with food now, and I've been hungry. Stacy, say hi, Stacy. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah, so right on time. So as I said, guys, I never really pick up the camera last night because it was just one of those nights. But we're here and it is Tuesday. Alright, so I'm gonna keep up. I'm gonna make you know what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day. If we do anything, I'm tired. But you know, the show keeps going. So talk to you later. But oh, may I show you away. Stacey Bear. I think it's fried chicken mask. But yeah, we're gonna see how that comes down. How was the thing?
Oh gosh, no more than no sleep. Just relax.
That is it. Yeah.
Get me a Kingston this minute. Say hello, New Kingston. Until next time.
So what is so bright? So yeah, bitches, it's me. Alright guys, we don't know about this coming up full time. What's a nice and so release them out and so yeah, later food now. Alright, and I can't see it. What's happens out here say? What I do nothing now, my super good thing.
You're gonna see me five times for this year.
5 times. 5 times a year.
Manifesting 5 times. Manifesting it.
That's it.
Yes. We have.
Say hi. All right, vacation girlies. Yes. Bodies. Yeah.
Cheers.
Like a meatball.
You see me? I represent the platform, yeah. When you say BNB, big up yourself, mama. You see what going on? Many doctors say that is pretty little body with your hands. Stick it when you carry access. And never feel it when we have said. Pretty little body with your front end. Fuck my back and you make you want to sunset. Why lose out from your jet? Got you fall in love with me. Walk down to
Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function.
Hey guys, good morning. Oh my god guys, it is today I lost count. It's Wednesday guys, it's Wednesday. Y'all see my eyes? I just woke up. It's Wednesday 10 a.m. so checkout is basically at 11 a.m. I came in this morning at 6 a.m. I don't remember if Madi gets a chance to make a video of me going out last night. But we actually went to Dolly Sundays on the beach anniversary. I think this is Dolly Sundays anniversary, their first anniversary, and it was at Sugarman Beach. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie, the last couple of days of our eventful Galentine's week, we're just going by so slow but fast. Slow in the sense where, I'm not gonna lie, we were tired. I am tired right now. Me I talk to you guys, my eye them a bleed, like I just wake up. We were tired, so it's almost like the hours that we were going out were just against time, and I never really get for, you know, complete the vlog like how I did I do it every day, you know. In the beginning of this vlog, like forget to get ready with me and them someday, we just get ready, leave. Yeah. Uptown Mondays was a vibe. It's been a while since I went to Uptown Mondays. That was a vibe, and we didn't stay there long. We got there at 2, left around 3:45. Yeah, but I think that is good enough for me. And I just appreciate how everybody just outside a dance. Too bad I cannot dance, I would have probably joined in. But I just appreciate seeing everybody in Uptown Mondays just dancing, being active, just like enjoy themselves. It just seemed healthy and fun. Healthy in the sense of moving around your body is definitely good. Exercise. So yeah. And I love when I go out and I see people dancing. I think that's what I like as a part of entertainment when I go out. Now don't mind me, I can't dance, but to be entertained by other people dancing is something that me really and truly enjoy. I haven't been to Uptown Mondays in a while, and I'm happy that I went the other day to be reminded, you know. And also it sparked some inspiration in me for music, because if you're OG, you know, so me I always like go Uptown Mondays or like dancehall events whenever I want to tap into my musical inspiration. And that really wasn't the reason why I'm going this time, but it did what it always did. You know, it just made me want to get in the mood for us to write some bad song. Anyway, back to Tuesday or Wednesday morning, I would say. Bikini and the Dolly Sundays on the beach. When I tell they had performances. I'm gonna show a little bit of clip going through. They had performances by Pretty Pretty, Candy, Jamal, and Asian. The party, we got there like at 1, and we were kind of hanging out with Jamal and team, but guys, I'm not telling you, the party did flat for me. I don't know if it's because I was drained, because everybody would have probably have them different opinion. People probably did, they would feel like they were having the best time of their life. I don't know. For me, I really think it's become a drain. I think the minute I went to the party at 1, I got there at 1, and the energy just flat. I could tell that the DJs were trying to like bring it up and get it all excited, but for me, I don't think it that work out. But I don't know. As I said, this is my opinion. Everybody else could have a different opinion. For me, I just felt like the party was promoted like it never have a long time promotion behind it. It just seemed like someone just come up and them try to make it work, because today is actually a holiday, so everybody's gonna be home today. So I guess they try to take advantage of the Tuesday evening. Me feel like what them go wrong is having the party on the beach at Tuesday, which was still a work day. You know, even though people are gonna go home today, but I feel like if they do the party today, you know, which is Wednesday, which is actually a holiday, Ash Wednesday, but I feel like if they do the party today and make it early, like maybe 12 to 10 p.m. 12 a.m. to 10 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. or something like that, maybe it would have worked out better, because it's a holiday. So keep it early. It's a beach event. People come out with them bikini, enjoy the beach, listen to music, be entertained. I don't think it worked out last night, in my opinion. However, they still had a good turnout. So big up to them. Them do them thing last minute. It works out. But the vibes to me, flatline. I don't know, it could have just been me, but I'm just talking about my opinion of it. You know, everybody did all pretty TC. The dollies look good as always. I can tell you that for a fact. And I'm not gonna lie, big up to Candy. I'm proud of Candy. I feel like Candy come out, Candy do her thing. Candy is having her moment right now with her hit song with it on the WYFL Redeem. She come out and she did what entertainers are supposed to do. Entertain. To each his own. Some people might not like it, some people might like it, but for me, I feel like how the crowd was, it was a big crowd and she managed it. She come out, she do her thing, she pop off her wig. I don't know if I can find like a moment on TikTok, because I'm sure say I can't the moments them never gonna use for kind of sell the show for make it look like it did nice. Because when Candy go up on stage, the vibes definitely came through. It take a while for she rocking herself and make the crowd start understand say no matter if they want to dance, move or shake, she outside from mad up the place and she angle triangle dangle that pan the people them last night. Candy, big up yourself. Proud moment. Glad you get around, you know, so everybody have them little time in a dance hall. The time now is you, and I'm glad to see our next female at pop out, because we've been hearing the same set of females for the past couple of years. That is Spice, Jada Kingdom, Shensia, you know, and it's been a while since them actually let somebody different and fresh through the gate. I don't know Spice and Shensia them laying them elements already and they make it to a certain level, even though them still at work, them don't cement them name. And Jada Kingdom, them don't see me them name in the place already. So it's good to see them letting new fresh female artists in the business, because this is someone me talk about all the time. I don't know why 10 female artists can bust one time in a dance hall. But Candy, at your time now, make the best of it, go on with yourself, more proud of your galley. Yeah, I'm not busy what nobody wants to say. Candy do what she's supposed to do. She come out and she entertain, especially if you're a big, thick, hard to please looking crowd like that. Asian boy, I'm an artist, but I don't know what did happen with you. I don't know if I the energy, I don't know, but I feel like say after we Candy and Pretty come out, come do as a woman, yes, because Pretty did perform good. In my opinion, Pretty always perform. She have a strong voice, she have a good delivery, she angle triangle that. Asian, I feel like Candy and Pretty set the tone, them come out for the girl, them perform, them gave a high energy performance. I feel like Asian, I don't know if something that go wrong, I don't know if you and the promoter them things that go, I don't know where did that go on in your camp, but I felt like your performance was real mediocre. It just gave to me just gave an impression like you didn't want to be there or something happened before you came on the stage. But when you come on, boy, it's the only thing with carry your performance is the fact that you had songs where the people them know already. So I don't know, that was like blah for me. Anyway, let's go down in Jamal, because I felt like Jamal was a true entertainer of the night in terms of delivery, in terms of presentation, in terms of just effort overall. Mega tell us that Jamal do him thing, come out like the true entertainer that him is. He engage with the audience, engage with the girls. So I know the girls them love the dance god. Yeah, Jamal, I don't know what to say. You do what you're supposed to do. You show me say you're an entertainer, and I don't have nothing bad to say about your performance. You also did a really good time on the stage. Him also did do a really Jamal, aka Dunce Man, for who don't know me, sir. He did a good time on the stage. Yeah, me I give a review. Guys, me never plan to give a review, but I review me there again, you know. Him do a good time on the stage. Him angle the crowd. Big up to Jamal. Him angle triangle, dangle that. One Dunce Man on the board. Yeah, guys. So after that, them said the party that was start 9 to 2. It actually ended at 4:30. Me never mind. It gave me an opportunity to catch everything. Right? Went to Taboo. Left Taboo 6 a.m. in the morning. Come back at the place. Clean it up. Fell asleep. Barely got no sleep. And this is me now. So I'm gonna literally check out of the Airbnb, guys, and I'm so sad. I wish I could spend another day, but you know, we have to go back to our realities. Valentine's weekend / week is over. Oh, and by the way, my friends left also before the party ended. My friend them go away. They left the party, headed from the party straight to the airport, and at this moment I'm speaking to you, they just messaged me and let me know say them land safely, everything good. So big up to my friends, you know, for us all coming together and having a grand time this week, and it was amazing, guys. Most of my friends them live a foreign, you know, so I think that's part of the reason why I'm gonna really like partying no more like that, because most of my friends them live a foreign, no, you know. So it's really just me. I feel like I need to make some new friends, but it's so hard for me because, boy, I don't want someone to like people, you know, but yeah, I don't know it already, especially with females. Yeah, but it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. I'm not gonna say you're not gonna see me again, but this is the end of our Valentine's weekend, okay? And I had fun. Somebody just want to check in and make you know wagwan. This is where I'm wearing, actually lounging in my black outfit. I'm gonna empty the garbage from the Airbnb. My lace is a mess, guys, so if you wanna see it I lift up, don't fucking judge me, okay? I've been wearing this wig all week and it don't know, and I can't take it off now, but when I get home. So thank you guys. Basically this is me closing the vlog. But if you've come to the end of this vlog and you enjoyed the festivities, if you got to the end, let me see you comment. Girl, let me see you comment. If you got to the end of this video, if you watched it all the way through, let me see Amor with a heart emoji at the end of the video. Only girl Alicia Amor, one Amor on the board. Yeah, one Amor on the app. Yeah, I'll check out what's tired, you know, what's tired. But you know, the week continue, you know, the vlog continue. This is going to be a late vlog. Because everything where I'm, guys, I'm not even get for post for Sunday vlog. I wasn't on time with my vlog this Sunday. That kind of bumped me out because I wanted to be consistent as I've been so far for the past couple of months. But you know, everything now always perfect. I got my Valentine's gift. One of my Valentine's gift also, guys, was a streamer chair. I showed you guys that in the beginning. So I think in the next vlog I'll kind of show you guys me setting that up. I think I'm gonna challenge myself with setting it up. If I'm unsuccessful or it's giving me any trouble, I'll go ahead and get somebody to do it for me. But I think I'm gonna make that a part of my next vlog. Yeah, guys, remember, if you want to make it to the end, remember to hashtag Amor with a heart emoji in the comment section. And also, guys, let me see your comments in the video. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Let me know what your Valentine's weekend was like. Let me know if you got any gifts. Let me know if you did anything for Valentine's weekend and what you did. You know, if you were treated special by your special someone. And big up everybody for tuning in and keeping it locked to this video. Big up everybody that has been supporting my vlogs so far. Guys, my wish for 2026 is that we can get to at least 10,000 subscribers. Yeah, I might be pushing it, you know, because it's so hard to grow on YouTube, but I'm setting a goal this year for 10,000 subscribers. I'm setting a goal for the end of the year. I'm at least the least 10,000 subscribers. So I want to do everything that I can this year to ensure that I stay consistent with the vlogs as I continue to build a community of people that are willing to support me, grow with me. We are learning together over here. We are going through life and we are sharing this life journey and experience. We're being real as possible. It's not all glitz and glamour over here. As I told you guys, I intend to be a little bit more transparent with you for 2026, you know, because we're living our real life and we go through real things and things aren't perfect, and we're not trying to create perfection because that's not real life. Alright, so as we continue to build this community, I hope you guys just enjoy the ride with me, you know, on your self-healing journey. Yeah, remember guys to check out the skits. I'm gonna be doing a lot more skits. I'm gonna try, you know, push out some music soon because I feel I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood boom boom now. I'm in the mood boom boom now. Yeah, I'm in the mood. I'm gonna give y'all something soon. Work on that phone and sing. Alright, so big up on yourself. Love you, Amor Nation. When I don't know, you know, Amor Nation. Big up the Amor Nation gang. One Amor Panda app, one love nation. angle, bangle, triangle, dangle. Yeah, see you in next week's vlog. Mwah. You still watching? Thank you. But why you don't subscribe yet? Click that red button below right now. Subscribe to the channel, man. Big up yourself.